Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this beautiful red holiday makeup look. I'm getting ready for my holiday party in my living room. Just kidding, I literally have nowhere to go. But I just thought that I wanted to create this beautiful makeup look to create some holiday cheer. I elected myself the holiday cheermeister in my family. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So if you are here for this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off by applying my Anastasia eye primer to my eyelids. Using the blending brush from the palette, I'm going to apply the shade Chai to my crease. The shade Chai is a warm brown shade that's going to act as a transition shade for the rest of my eyeshadows. And using the same blending brush, I'm going to apply the shade Steve, a really pretty cranberry red shade, to the crease. Now I'm going to use the eyeshadow portion of this brush, and I'm going to apply the shade Steve to the outer portion of my lash line area. So with my Sigma Beauty E15 Flat Definer brush, I'm going to take a little bit of the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Custard and cut the crease just halfway onto the lid. And now I'm going to apply this really pretty cranberry red sparkly shade onto the area where I applied my concealer. Now I'm going to create a winged liner using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. Now I'm going to apply my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, right where I cut the crease. So I'm back with my face makeup on, and I'm going to finish the rest of my eyes. First, with the eyeshadow under the eye, I'm going to apply the shade Steve, the really pretty cranberry red shade, on the lower lash line area. Now I'm going to use my Sigma Beauty E30 Pencil brush and apply the shade Boli to the inner tear ducts. Now I'm going to apply my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Kohl Kajal eyeliner in the shade Nude to my waterline. Now I'm going to apply my NARS Climax mascara to my upper and lower lashes. And now I'm going to apply my Luxy lashes in the style Flossy with my House of Lashes Lash Adhesive. To finish off this look, I'm going to apply my Sigma Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Venom, a very perfect true red on the lips. So here's the final look. What do you guys think? I am absolutely in love with it. I hope that this spreads some holiday cheer this season. The holidays have been really hard because typically for me, it's been filled with a lot of family gatherings and just getting together. But this year, all of that is canceled. And so I just still wanted to do something special. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. Please also follow me on my other socials. I am at Padee Tina Kong. Let me know down in the comments below what you plan on doing for the holidays. I hope to see you in my next video. As always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!